iPhone 16 Pro Max, everything we know so far. Hey everyone! With the new iPhones just around the corner, we've got some exciting leaks to dive into. Today, let's break down what we know about the iPhone 16 Pro models, including color options, design changes, and display upgrades. First up, let's talk colors. Sonny Dixon recently shared images of the iPhone 16 Pro models, and there's been some confusion. Despite speculation about a gold or rose gold comeback, these leaks show a bronze or copper shade. Honestly, the bronze looks a bit dull to me. I'm hoping this is just a placeholder, and we might see more vibrant colors like natural or white titanium. Now, on to the design. The iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max will keep their familiar look but get bigger screens. The Pro will grow from 6.1 inches to 6.3 inches, and the Pro Max will increase from 6.8 inches to 6.9 inches. Thanks to slimmer borders, the phones won't be much larger overall, but will offer a more immersive display. Speaking of displays, we're in for a treat. The new iPhone 16 models are rumored to feature Samsung's M14 Advanced OLED displays. Expect a brightness boost, potentially up to 3,000 nits, matching the Apple Watch Ultra 2. That's it for today's look at the iPhone 16 Pro model's colors, design, and display upgrades. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll cover battery improvements, new features, and camera upgrades. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss it.